you've lost sending privileges on your Google account, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check account status. Log into your Google account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding your sending privileges. Google may have temporarily restricted your account due to suspicious activity or policy violations. Step 2. Review Google policies. Familiarize yourself with Google's policies regarding account usage and sending limits. Understanding these guidelines can help you avoid future issues and ensure compliance. Step 3. Secure your account. If you suspect unauthorized access, change your password immediately. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. This step is crucial to prevent further restrictions on your account. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for response. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Google. This process may take some time, so be patient. Follow any additional instructions provided in their response to complete the restoration process. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on your Google account. Remember to maintain good account practices to prevent future issues.